Hello, everyone. Welcome to the channel. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix a crash in the Minecraft app if it's not working and freezes. Please subscribe to the channel. Watch the video to the end. Give me likes. Let's fix this bug. Let's go. If you go to Minecraft and it doesn't work, or it crashes, or it freezes when you play, then in order to fix it, you need to go. This is the first way, to Settings. Scroll down to the bottom and find Apps. Then open Manage Apps. Then in the search box, you type in an app or a game called Minecraft. Let's go ahead and type it in. Now we go in. The first thing we do is we click Storage. And the first thing we need to do to get the app to work is to clear the cache. Then go to Minecraft and see if it works. If not, you try to clear all the data, memory, and cache. Also, what you can do is to go to Google Play Store. Find the Minecraft app and try to update it if you don't have it updated. And what you can do is uninstall the Minecraft app and then download it again. And the last way is to reboot the mobile device itself, your phone. To do this, click here. Click Reboot and then turn it back on. This method should help us, and we should no longer have to fly out and hang our application or game in Minecraft on our devices. These were simple tips. The first is to go into the application to delete the cache and memory. The second way to update the application in the Play Market. And the third is to reboot the phone. If you helped them like this video, you can subscribe to the channel. Put a like. Thank you very much for watching. See you later. Goodbye.